lot. Ang dami na. Where? They're back?
But they don't do a proper display, do they, like the red arrows?
I don't know.
It's not all coordinated.
I don't know. As long as you just watch it, it's free. So why you are expecting more? It's free. Ah, don't speak more because it's free. No, that's not good.
Captain Castring is waiting for demonstrating a simulated carrier pattern.
I think it's 4 o'clock.
Each aircraft is in fact ready to land.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's like they're coming in to land on the left.
Our last correct. Maintaining the optimal rate of descent for the proper touchdown point.
Yeah, there. 4 o'clock. It's done. Ayan na. Tapos na ang kanilang air show. Ayan, bababa na sila. Maglalandfall na sila. Ayan. Saranoy na sila. Saranoy na. Hindi ko makita guys. Ang baba ko kasi. I'm done. Thank you, Lord. What are you gonna do now? Are we gonna go? Are we gonna take some pictures now? Yeah, no. Just we're gonna carry this as while we are walking. We're not gonna coming back here. We're not gonna come.
I'm gonna leave the seats here now.
No, we're gonna carry that everywhere, wherever we go, because we're not coming back here. I'm gonna carry the gray one.
You're gonna carry it?
Yep, I will.
I should have recorded that.
Why? Wow, goodbye. Tapos na ang air show, alas 4 na ng hapon. Uwi na.
No point in trying to get out for another hour.
I know. I want to take a pictures all that plane there. Come on, let's go.